Go ahead and open the driver's side door. Now right over there at the bottom there is an access panel. That's the cover. Press down on the clip and pull the cover back. Be patient with it, it's going to take a few seconds but it'll come right out, and that's where the fuse panel is. On the back side of the cover is the fuse diagram. We will be focusing on the 110 amp fuse that says room lamp. That's the one. Get the fuse puller, put it right over there on that 10 amp red fuse and pull the fuse out. See what happens? My light switches off. That's because my fuse is good. And how do I know that? Look at the center part. Mine is not broken. If yours is broken, that's a bad fuse, and that's very likely what the problem is. So let's go ahead and get that 10 amp spare fuse, which is right over there, using the fuse puller. Get this fuse out. Check this fuse to make sure the center part on this spare fuse is not broken, and that's good. Now let's just put it back in the original position, and the moment I put it back in and push it in, my lights are going to come back on. And that's about it. Put the fuse puller back in its place, align the cover like this and press it down to secure it, and that's pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.